Let me explain you about the prime numbers in a simple way. First, it is a number. Okay, it has only the two factors only. So first it is a number. Okay, the second condition, it has only two factors only, and in that one factor is always number itself, and fourth point is another factor is always 1. Another important point here is this is always greater than 1. Any condition which satisfies these points, those are prime numbers. Let me tell you one example. So take number 2, which is greater than 1, agree. So it has the factors are 2 into 1. You see, it has only two factors, agree. One factor is number itself, agree. And another factor is always 1. And it is greater than 1. That's it. For example, if you take another number, that is a 3 equals to 3 into 1. Why not the number 4? I'll tell you, explain it. 4 equals to 2 into 2. It is a number, agree. And two factors, agree. One factor is number itself, that is failed here. That is failed. This is not number. This number is not this one. It is failed. And another number is 1. That is also failed. And it is greater than 1, agree. But the conditions are not satisfied. Hence the 4 is not a prime number. So this is about the prime.